Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English 10. My name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. It's great to be here with you all. Hello, Emma.
Hi, Alex. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic. We are going to talk about family.
Family. Yes, that's a wonderful topic. Everyone has a family, so it's a great conversation starter.
That's right. We will ask and answer questions about our families. We will talk about parents, brothers, and sisters.
And maybe pets too. Many families have pets.
Oh, good idea. Okay, are you ready to start?
Yes, I am. Let's start.
Okay, Alex, can you tell me about your family?
Of course. I have a mother and a father. They are my parents.
Your parents. That's lovely. What do they do? What are their jobs?
My father is a teacher. He teaches English at a high school.
Oh, an English teacher, like us.
Exactly. And my mother works in a library. She loves books.
That sounds like a nice job. A teacher and a librarian. And do you have any siblings? Any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. I don't have any sisters.
One brother, okay. Is he older or younger than you?
He is younger than me. He's a student at a university.
A younger brother. That's nice. What does he like to do?
He loves to play sports. He plays football and basketball. He's very active.
That's great. So that's your family, your parents and your younger brother?
Yes, that's my family. Now, what about you, Emma? Tell me about your family.
Okay. I also live with my mother and my father. My parents are very kind.
And what do they do?
My father is a chef. He cooks in a big restaurant. He makes delicious food.
A chef. Wow, I bet you eat well at home.
Yes, he is a great cook. And my mother is a gardener. She loves flowers and plants.
A gardener. That's a beautiful job. So you have a nice garden at home?
Yes, we have many flowers. It's very colorful.
I can imagine. And do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one sister. I don't have any brothers.
A sister. Is she older or younger than you?
She is older than me. She is married and has a small baby.
Oh, so you are an aunt.
Yes, I am. My nephew is very cute. My older sister is a musician. She plays the piano.
She plays the piano? That's amazing. Your family is very creative. A chef, a gardener, and a musician.
Thank you. So, Alex, who do you live with? Do you live with your parents? That's wonderful. What about your grandparents? Are they a big part of your life?
No, I don't. My parents live in a different city. I live with my younger brother in an apartment.
Oh, okay. So you live with your brother. What do you do together?
We like to watch movies together. And sometimes we cook dinner. I like to cook, but my brother doesn't like it very much.
He doesn't like to cook? That's funny. What about your parents? What do you do when you see them?
When we visit our parents, we often go for walks in the park. My mother loves nature. We have a nice time together.
That sounds lovely. I live with my parents. My sister lives with her husband.
Right. You live with your parents. What activities does your family like to do together?
Well, we always eat dinner together. My father cooks, and we all talk about our day.
That's a great routine. Family dinners are important.
Yes, they are. On weekends, we often work in the garden with my mother. I like to help her. My father doesn't like gardening. He prefers to read.
That's interesting. So everyone has different hobbies.
Exactly. It makes things fun. Okay, now for your question, Alex. Let's talk about pets. Do you have any pets in your family?
Yes, my parents have a dog. His name is Buddy.
Buddy! That's a cute name for a dog. What kind of dog is he?
He is a golden retriever. He is big and he is very friendly. He has golden fur and a happy smile.
Aw, I love golden retrievers. They are so gentle.
He is. He loves to play fetch in the park. My brother and I don't have a pet in our apartment, but we miss Buddy.
I understand. What about you, Emma? Does your family have a pet?
Yes, we do. We have a cat. Her name is Luna.
Luna. That's a beautiful name for a cat. What does she look like?
She is a black cat with bright green eyes. She is very quiet and calm.
A black cat. Very elegant.
Yes, she is. She doesn't like to play very much. She likes to sleep in the sun. She is very sweet.
It sounds like Buddy and Luna have very different personalities.
They do. Buddy is energetic and Luna is calm.
This has been a great conversation. We learned a lot about each other's families. It's nice that our families both have pets. They really feel like family members. What about your grandparents, Emma? Are they a big part of your life?
Yes, we did. We used words like mother, father, parents, brother, sister, and siblings. We also talked about pets, like a dog and a cat.
And we ask questions like, what do your parents do? And do you have any siblings? These are great questions for you to use.
That's right. So now it is your turn. We encourage you to talk about your family in English.
Yes, find a friend and ask them about their family. Or you can write about your family. Practice makes perfect.
Thank you for listening to Daily English 10. We hope you enjoyed our conversation.
Goodbye for now, everyone. Keep practicing.
Goodbye.